I bet you'll end up confused by the end of this video. You see, Bob had a problem. He had a ship. Over time, as he sailed the seas, parts of his ship wore out and needed replacing. First, he changed a few broken planks, then some old sails, then the ropes. Year after year, Bob kept replacing each part, until eventually, not a single original piece of the ship was left. But here's where it gets weird. Is it still Bob's ship? If every single part has been swapped, at what point did it stop being the ship he first set sail with? This got Bob thinking crazy. If replacing each part of his ship eventually made it something new, could the same thing happen to him? Think about it. Our bodies are constantly changing, just like Bob's ship. Every few years, most of our cells have been replaced. New skin, new blood, even our brain cells change over time. So if nearly everything about you has been replaced, are you still you? Or take it one step further. Imagine a digital clone. If every single thought, memory, and personality trait of yours was copied into a computer, would that clone be you? Or would it just be a copy? This thought experiment is known as the Ship of Theseus, a question that has puzzled people for thousands of years. So, if everything about you changed, piece by piece, would you still be you? Subscribe if this got you thinking.